Hello kids, and today we're gonna solve the puzzle about two dogs, and this puzzle is called Be Kind. Okay, let's start. Let's open the puzzle, and it is Paw Patrol. Yay! So let's open it and see. Okay, great. And let's start with searching for the corner puzzle piece, right? So that's what we're gonna start with. So that we have, this is the first corner puzzle piece, right? So we have another corner puzzle piece, so it's a corner, right? We need to find another. Oh, it's the third one. Great. And there is the, fourth one. So we found 4 corner puzzle pieces. And let's look at the image and see where we can place them. So here we have a butterfly, and butterfly is on the top right corner. So we're gonna place it here. And this one is on the top too. So here we have the flower, right? It's there behind the Paw Patrol. So let's place it here. Okay, and then we have the letter B. So here is the B letter, be kind, so B, right? So we're gonna place it here, and then another corner piece we're gonna place at the bottom right corner. So first what we're gonna do, we have the word be kind at the bottom. So let's try to find the puzzle pieces for the word be kind. So we need to find E, K, I, N, and D letters. So let's start to search for them. So there's the E letter, right? So let's turn around all of them one by one and see where the other words. Can you see the other puzzle pieces that have the words? I can see them. So there is the first one, the second one. Let's take them and let's place them here and then continue our discovery. So let's turn around this one, right? So there is, okay, there is also, this one is the letter, this one, and this one. Let's take them all together and let's move them to our puzzle. Okay, so we have a lot of letters here, right? Okay, let's start with the letter B. So there's the B, part of the B here, and E, right? So we can combine them like this. Great. And let's take the next letter. So what next letter we have here is letter K. Okay, and here we have the letter K here. So we can combine it like this. Great. And after K, what letter we have? Letter I. So it's be kind. So it's letter I. Let's connect them. Yes. Great. And the last letter we have is the letter D. So let's connect. Yes, we have be kind. Let's take this one. So it's a part of the D letter. And let's combine like this. Great. Let's take another one. And here we have the letter K and the letter I. So we can connect like this. Great. And another, we have letter E, right? So letter E goes here. So there is the heart and letter E and K. Great. Let's connect them. And another one, what we have here is letter N, right? N. So we're gonna connect like this. Great. Amazing. And the last one gonna be for the letter B, the part. Let's connect. Yes, so we completed the be kind. So if you look at the package, you see that there's be kind, and we just completed the be kind by finding the puzzle pieces for all the letters. So that's what we were focused on. And right now, what we're gonna be focused is that we're gonna focus on that side puzzle pieces. So we're gonna go like this, right? So let's start. So here we have the side puzzle piece. Let's try to find the side puzzle piece. Is there where we have one side like this, right? So we need to find all the side puzzle pieces, right? This one is the side puzzle piece. This one is the side, right? This one with the heart, the side puzzle piece, another side puzzle piece. Maybe let's take this one is the side puzzle piece. And this one, this. Can you see any others? I can see. So there is another one, right? Can you see any more? No, there is no any. So let's start. So here we have the part of the paw, and here is the part of the paw. So let's try to connect them like this. Great. And next one, what we have, if we look at the image, we have here the mouth and the heart, right? So here is the mouth and there is the heart. So let's try to go. So here is the heart and here is the mouth. Let's connect. Great. You're doing amazing. And let's then take our eye. And if we look at the package, we can see that there is the eye and then it starts the rainbow, right? So we're gonna take the eye and connect. Great, you're doing amazing. So the next one thing's gonna be about the rainbow. So let's think which the next puzzle we should take. So there is two puzzle pieces that represents the rainbow, but which one gonna work? So we're gonna try to test. Is it this one? Yeah, it goes pretty well, so it's this one, correct. And then let's take our corner puzzle piece, right? Like this. Great. So let's then think about the top side puzzle pieces. What could be on the top? So on the top we could see that there is the rainbow on the top, right? The orange color. So let's take the puzzle pieces with the rainbow like this and let's try to connect, right? So let's try this one. So here we have a flower, here we have a rainbow. So here also we have a flower. Let's connect like that. Great. And let's take the next one, rainbow. So maybe it's this one. Let's try. Great. And we just need to find the puzzle piece that would connect the butterfly and the rainbow. And I think it's this one because here we have the wings of the butterfly and a part of the rainbow. So let's try to connect them together like this. Amazing. We completed the top puzzle pieces. And we just need to complete this side, right? So if you look at the package, we can see that goes from the top to the bottom, from butterfly till the legs of the dog, right? Let's try to find them. And where we're gonna start, it's gonna be the legs of the dog. So if we look, here is the heart and here is the legs of the dog. And if we're gonna look at the package, here is also the heart and legs of the dog. So let's try to combine like this. Great. And let's then take another one. And next one, what we're gonna take, gonna be the butterfly, because the butterfly would be easy to connect. So we need to find the parts of the butterfly, right? And there is the small parts of the butterfly that we could connect. And let's try, press softly, great. And then we have the ending of the rainbow here. So then starts the ear of the dog. Let's take it like this and place and press, great. And the last one, side puzzle, because we don't have any more side puzzle pieces here, then last one would be this one. So let's connect like this. Great, we've connected the puzzle pieces here. So we connected the right side puzzle pieces, the top, the left and the bottom. So right now we're gonna work in the middle of the puzzle piece. And where we're gonna start to work is by connecting the side puzzle pieces with those puzzle pieces that needs to be found and connected. So let's try this one. Here's the eye of the dog, and here we can see that there is the eye of the dog. So let's try to connect. Great, amazing. And let's then try to find the badge of the dog. So you can see there is the badge, and if you look at the package, we also have here like a small badge, right? And here we have a small badge. So let's try to connect down here, right? And let's do it. Great, amazing. And let's then work through. So then we have a paw of the dog. So let's look at this one. Here we also have the paw of the dog. Here we have a mouth of the dog, right? And let's try to connect like this. Yes, works pretty well. And the next one is the face of the second dog, right? Here is the mouth. And if we look in the package again, if I go back to the package, we could see that there is the mouth and there is the eyes, right? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna try to combine. Yes, goes really well. And then we're gonna take the second eye of the dog. And here's the eye, and here's the part of that. Yes, great. And the last one gonna be the clothes and the badge of the dog. So here's the parts of the dog, and here it's missing, right? So we're gonna try to connect. Yes, you're doing really well. And the next one gonna be, we're gonna start with the helmets, with the heads of the dog. So here is the one piece, and here is the another. So here is the part of the dog, and here is the head of the dog, right? So we're gonna connect. Yes, really good. And then we have another head of the dog and ear. So let's try to connect like this. Amazing. And we are only left with 3 puzzle pieces for the rainbow. So let's take them together and let's see where we can place them. So this one we can do, maybe we can do like this. No, because we have here different colors. So if we're gonna turn around and we're gonna press it softly, then yes, it works. And if we're gonna take this one and we're gonna place it on the right side, try it, yes, it works. And another one, what we need to do here, we need to turn around because the white thing is closing, right? So we need to press like this, and we completed the wall puzzle. And this puzzle is called Be Kind. So we started with the corner pieces, this one, right? Then we tried to find all the side puzzle pieces. And after we completed the border of this puzzle, we started to go through one by one through each dog, and then the last that we've completed was the rainbow. And we've done this really good. Well done, congratulations, amazing.
Thank you, kids. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.